In this session, we will go over how to create a project, save a file, and import and export file in Maya. When we start working in Maya, the first step is to create a project. Setting up a project helps organize our files. Under a file menu, there is an option called project window. Click on it and the project window will be displayed. Then click on New. Browse to a location where you want to save the project and give it a name. Here we will name the project name as a create project and click on accept. Now when you open a file, you can see that the file path shows the current project path. In this path, the folder are automatically created to help organize the project. To save a file, click on the save icon or go to the file menu and click on save. The first time you save it, it will prompt you to give a file name. Here we will name it as sphere. The file is then saved under the scene folder. There is also a save as option which allows you to save a file as a separate file or a different version. Under the save as, there is an incremental save option which creates a incremental saves. For example, the file name as save as peer001, providing a backup version of a file. For example, the file may save as peer001, providing a backup version of the file. Under Windows Settings Preferences, you can access more options for incremental saves. One is autosave. If enabled, autosave will save the file automatically. You can also set the number of autosaves based on your requirements. As mentioned, Maya provides both import and export options. By using the import option, you can import 3D files in format like OBJ, FBX, MA and MB. And you can also export files in various formats. When saving a file in Maya, there are two options, MB, Maya Binary and MA, Maya ASCII. By default, it saves as MB, but we recommended saving file in MA format. This concludes our sessions on project setup, saving file and import exporting in Maya. I hope this helps you to get familiar with these essential functions. Thank you everyone.